And the runners are facing up to the gate for the 8th race. Wheelhouse goes in. Bridoza coming up. A Stern Command coming up, post 3. Two back, Sturdy. A couple of them broke through the front of the gate there. Starters trying to hold on to him. Did a really good job as well. So they're both going to be led back behind the starting gate, numbers 1 and 2, and the vets are going to take a look at these two horses to make sure they're okay. Stand by for a second, folks. They're just taking a look here at the two inside horses who broke open the front of the gate doors. So they're backing out number 3, A Stern Command. The riders aboard number 1, Wheelhouse. Well, looks like we're going to have a change. Stand by. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a late scratch. Number 2, Bridoza's out. Scratch number 2, Bridoza from the upcoming 8th race. Down to a field of 4. Win, play, ship. Exacta, trifecta, superfecta wagers, of course, refunded. Daily doubles, pick 3s if you're alive to number 2. In the doubles and pick 3s, and this is not the first leg of your late daily double, for example, then you're going to get a consolation payout. Late pick 5, late pick 4, Jersey Shore 6. If you had number 2, Bridoza, on your tickets, you're going to get whoever goes off favorite in this race. Bridoza, number 2, is out, per advice of the state veterinarian. Runners facing up to the gate. Wheelhouse has got it. Here's A Stern Command. Sturdy, post position, number 5. Atrocious outside post. We're ready to go. And Laroff, Stern Command broke alertly. So did Wheelhouse from the inside. These two get acquainted. Atrocious right off of them in third on the outside, and Sturdy's back to last as they approach the first turn run. It's a Stern Command on the lead narrowly here. Atrocious into second. Wheelhouse third right behind them now and takes a hold down on the inside. Sturdy moves up alongside and is level third with 3/4 of a mile to go. They round the clubhouse turn. And the pacemaker is a Stern Command is the longest shot in the race. 21-1 in a field of 4. Leads by 3/4 of a length. Atrocious. Now moving up. Just the neck off. A Stern Command as they quicken the tempo down the barn side. 1.5 lengths to Sturdy into third. And Wheelhouse back and forth on the inside. 5 furlongs to travel. Luis Ocasio lets Atrocious stride in front of a Stern Command and Ramon Moya, who backpedal into third. Sturdy and Sammy Camacho right up alongside of Atrocious. While on a hold goes real well. And Wheelhouse is following Sturdy into the third position. A Stern Command dropping out of it. So now it's a 3-horse race as they go into the far turn. Atrocious, narrow lead. Sturdy right there. As they go into the far turn, Wheelhouse 2.5 behind him, sent along. A Stern Command going to run last. So they come to the top of the stretch. Atrocious gets a shake of the reins, and Sturdy is still there. They are even with a 1/4 mile more to go, and Wheelhouse is 2 lengths behind under the stick. They're off the turn. Sturdy outside, now a neck in front. Atrocious to the inside is trying very hard, but Sturdy has the edge with a furlong to go. Sturdy opening up the lead now. The margin's 2 with about a 16th to go, and it's maiden diploma time for Sturdy coming home in the Rapoli Racing colors. Sturdy by about 3 or 3.5. Atrocious holds second. Wheelhouse was third. Here comes a Stern Command crossing the line in fourth. Number 5, Sturdy first. 8 Atrocious second. 1 Wheelhouse third. 3 is Stern Command fourth. 5, 8, 1, 3 your order of finish. This race is now official. 5, 8, 1,